historically, science and faith have actually been co-laborers in the pursuit of truth. Some of the greatest thinkers and intellects and inspirations to many of us here in this room were profoundly committed to the idea of harmony between science and faith. One very prominent example is one of my favorite scientists of all time, Johannes Kepler. He established the laws of planetary motion, and he's considered among the greatest astronomers in history. I believe he's credited with establishing the field of celestial mechanics. In one of his most famous scientific treatises, imagine writing a scientific paper like this today. In one of his most famous scientific treatises, Kepler starts with the following words: "I commence a sacred discourse, a most true hymn to God the Founder, and I judge it to be piety, not to sacrifice bulls to him and to burn incense of innumerable perfumes, but first to learn myself and afterwards to teach others too. How great he is in wisdom, how great in power, and of what sort in goodness." This was not an exegesis text. This was not a theological exposition. This was the beginning of a scientific treatise. Kepler didn't just fall into science and then hope that science and faith could be partners in the pursuit of truth. He was driven to science by an insatiable desire to learn about God, to celebrate God, and then invite others into that celebration. He did science for those reasons.